Michael here again. I just wanted to show you something real quick. This is going to be a fairly short video. This is a two-way remote start system from Syracuse Synergy. So basically what you're paying for when you buy from Syracuse Synergy, you are getting consumer grade parts. It's the same stuff that you would buy if you were putting it together yourself, except it is pre-wired and everything for the Grand Cherokee. So, it's pretty much a plug-and-play setup. Everything's been programmed and flashed for the WJ, and it comes with all sorts of great instructions and advice, and he even includes in the instructions his personal cell phone number. So, if you have an issue, you can actually text him and get a response, or you can contact him on Facebook. That's actually how I found out about this. Was on Facebook, and then he ended up showing up in it, so I picked his brain about this product a little bit, and I was very impressed. This is the two-way system. It does come with everything else that you'd get in the box normally, so you've got a whole bunch of other wiring harnesses and stuff for other vehicles that you won't need, and your antenna, and then your actual transmitters. Now, I actually ended up doing this because my key fobs are going bad. Replacing the batteries doesn't help or anything, so I figured for $179, which is the price on sale at the moment that I'm making this video, I couldn't really pass it, turn it up, so pass it up. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and install it real quick, and then you'll get to see, how it functions. I'm not going to show installation because ease of installation is actually what you're paying for in this. Like I was saying before, you do pay for the product, but you're paying primarily for the service of having everything all neat and organized before you install it. So to me, that's a big selling point, because I've always been interested in installing a remote start system in the Jeep. I always thought it was really cool. And being able to turn on the air conditioner when it's 126 or 129 degrees outside, because it has actually hit that temperature out here, is kind of a godsend. And this will be wonderful for that. And it'll allow my head unit time to warm up before I go out there, because it does cold boot at every restart. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and install this real quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all said and done, or how it functions when it's all said and done. I've got the module installed. Installation was pretty straightforward. Just takes a little bit of time to get everything squared away, figure out where to put everything where it's not in the way. So as far as the key goes, here's your new key fob. If you hit lock, it locks. Unlock, of course it unlocks as you would expect. So I'm going to lock it here. On the very bottom, you've got your remote start, so you hold that down for a second. And you hear it. It is locked still, so that works properly. So that works pretty well. And I don't have any real remnants of it underneath the dashboard, although you can see it kind of hiding up there just a little bit. So there's a nice spot right on the frame of the dashboard to actually load everything into. In order to actually move, you have to put the key in, move it to the run position, and you'll see it clicks as it moves out of remote start mode. Normally your flasher bulbs would blink there too. Mine did not because mine's weird or anything. Those bulbs are dead, so I got to replace those next. So there we go. So far, I'm very impressed. I have a working key fob again, so that's awesome. I'll go ahead and turn that off. So all in all, not too shabby. especially for the price. I'll put a link in the description below.